The tensile strength metrics on line 4 are exceeding the target range.
Reroute the batch to secondary testing.
Approved natural latex flows into giant automated mixing vessels where stabilizers, approved additives, and color agents are blended under carefully controlled conditions. Thousands of smooth glass molds pass through an automated cleaning and preheating system where purified water, steam, and precision dryers remove every microscopic impurity.
The heated glass molds slowly descend into large stainless steel tanks filled with prepared latex, where every mold receives a
Freshly coated molds travel through long, temperature-controlled curing tunnels, where warm air gradually dries and vulcanizes the latex. Every product passes through advanced electronic inspection equipment that automatically checks for tiny holes, thickness variations, surface imperfections, and approved products enter a multi-stage washing system where purified water removes any remaining processing residue before passing through large industrial drying tunnels. Each product enters a high-speed electronic testing system where advanced equipment performs automatic leak detection using air pressure and electronic conductivity technology. The tensile strength peaked right at the limit. Acceptable deviation. The burst volume data looks good too. Laser printing systems apply the manufacturing date, batch number, and product identification code. High-resolution vision cameras then verify the print quality.